नमस्कार, मेरा नाम संचित मल्होत्रा है and I'm a student of astrology at Astroloke. The year 2020 has been a game-changing year for the entire world. It has impacted each one of us in some form or the other. When I personally look back at this year, one positive which happened for me in this year was मेरा Astroloke से जुड़ना, मेरा आलोक सर की शरण में आना एंड मेरा एस्ट्रोलॉजी सीखना उनसे. इनफैक्ट मेरे एस्ट्रोलॉजी की फॉर्मल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत होना है in 2020. I've made some small attempts to learn astrology earlier. I've read some articles, explored some Facebook groups, etc. about astrology. But जब से मैंने Astroloke join किया है, ever since I started learning astrology under the able guidance of Alok sir, my entire outlook about astrology, about how to learn this secret science, how to learn this hidden science, has changed completely. The entire approach has changed completely. The subject which I used to find very tough, difficult to understand, study in bits and pieces, has suddenly become so easy, so logical and interesting. And that is the magic of the guidance of Alok sir. अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के कहूँगा कि आई वुड हैव डन सम पास्ट लाइफ पॉजिटिव कर्मास. मैंने ज़रूर पास्ट लाइफ में कुछ अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे कि मुझे आलोक सर से एस्ट्रोलॉजी सीखने का मौका मिला. आलोक सर की जितनी तारीफ़ की जाए कम है. Those of you who are actually having an interest in cricket, you would relate to this, that Alok sir is like the Sachin Tendulkar of astrology. And why am I saying that is actually divided across three broad parameters. First is his command about the subject. He's a top astrologer not only in India, and I would rate him a top astrologer across the entire world. I've met with a few astrologers, I've come in contact with astrologers, and I would definitely rate him among the top. He's in that league. Secondly, it's about his teaching abilities. He's clearly among the best. He's like a God-gifted teacher. Third is, as a human being, he's super, very humble, very down-to-earth person. Now let me talk a little bit more about these points. First is his command over astrology. The way he actually teaches prediction, the way he actually teaches each of these subjects, he's extremely, extremely talented. आई थिंक आज के डेट में पूरे वर्ल्ड में ही वुड बी अमंग द टॉप एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स. उनको भगवान से आई थिंक वरदान प्राप्त है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड. ही इज़ एक्चुअली टोटली अ गिफ्टेड पर्सन हियर. Second is about his teaching abilities. Now, all of us have experienced many teachers in our life, have been taught across by many gurus, teachers, etc. Right from the day we actually joined school till our college, etc. My personal experiences amongst all the teachers I have met, I would rate Alok sir as one of the best teachers I've seen in my life. And again, the reason here are multiple. There are multiple reasons why I would actually say that. First is, he's an ocean of knowledge. Any topic, any area, he has the total command. That's the first principle for a teacher, that he himself or herself should actually be capable. And Alok sir is clearly right there on the top. Second is उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका. Now when you look at astrology, it's actually not an easy subject because there are so many concepts and so many shlokas which are just set out as facts. But what Alok sir does is he actually simplifies those shlokas, he actually simplifies those concepts, relates them to the practical examples so that it directly registers in the mind. It's such a simplified practical approach that actually you can assimilate that knowledge with ease within that short period of time. Third is his relatability, or the aspect of actually using his past experience, relating the aspects to different practical and real life examples, that he brings in his that wealth of experience and knowledge behind every explaining concept, which is actually commendable. Fourth is his sheer passion, energy and enthusiasm. Again, to bring in that Tendulkar example, Alok sir actually puts his 200% for the entire duration of class. His classes are so full of energy. The way he actually drives that passion, it actually radiates out of the screen. I have been mostly relying on videos because my timelines don't permit me to watch the live classes or be part of live classes. But even in those videos, I can actually feel that vibration of Alok sir in each of his classes. I think it's like if the Tendulkar gives his 200%, you know how that India has to win. So it's the same concept. Another point here is that Alok sir is always focusing on making a better version of himself. We've been here for 8 months in this course. And when I compare that, he's actually trying to outwit himself, trying to evolve himself and ensure that he actually is a better version of himself of what he was earlier. So his constant zeal to improve upon, his dedication and passion makes him a commendable teacher. Last but not the least, I think his attitude to share anything and everything he knows in astrology. कितने ही एस्ट्रोलॉजर हैं, एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज़ अ हिडन साइंस, देर आर सो मेनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड आलोक सर इज़ लाइक अ खुली किताब, इज़ लाइक अ ज्ञान का भंडार एंड इज़ विलिंग टू शेयर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, माइनर टू माइनर, मेजर टू मेजर, all his knowledge and experiences वो आपके सामने रख के दे देंगे in the class. So all of these 5-6 parameters which I have just mentioned actually make him a standout person, a standout teacher. Now coming back to the last aspect of it is that the entire team of Astrolog, and specifically I would like to mention the name of Chayanika, who's actually the backbone of the institute for us. All your admin tasks, all your videos, your payment reminders, your notes, etc. are meticulously managed. And you need that support system in the backend to actually drive this particular, and it's actually a classic ingredient for success. All I would like to say is whether you want to become a professional astrologer or you would actually want to just try and experiment, understand ki astrology hai kya, Astrolog is the best place to actually begin your formal journey of astrology. I think I would say, and I would not shy away from saying, that we are lucky that we are alive in the same era as Alok sir, and we are lucky that we are getting that education and knowledge live from him. I think this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to get associated with the Astrolog and learn and get that opportunity to learn from Alok sir. So आप इसको एज अ प्रोफेशन करें, आप आगे एस्ट्रोलॉजी में कंसल्टिंग करें या ना करें, लेट मी टेल यू बेसिस माई एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ स्टडिंग एस्ट्रोलॉजी फ्रॉम एस्ट्रोलॉग that you would actually experience immense positive change in your life, whether it's at a spiritual plane, at an emotional plane, mental plane, or at any other level. It'll eventually make you an excellent or a better human being. That journey towards taking the first step of becoming a better human being will definitely start, and you would start experiencing that change once you actually progress through your classes. In the end, I would just like to say that this is the feedback which has just come from my heart. Dil se bol raha hu. God bless Astrolog, Alok sir, and the entire team. Thank you so much.